Hello everybody, I Jyoti Vashist from Surat School Training. Students, our today's topic is reactions of carbon compounds, part first. In part first, we are going to study two reactions, combustion reaction and oxidation reaction given by carbon compounds. So first of all, combustion reaction. Combustion reaction means heating up of strong heating up of carbon compounds in presence of oxygen is combustion reaction in which carbon dioxide and water vapors are released with heat. Let us see. It is the simplest hydrocarbon, methane. If methane is heated with oxygen, then it produced carbon dioxide and water with heat. By balancing, it becomes this. It is a balanced chemical combustion reaction of methane in which methane burnt in presence of sufficient amount of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water and heat in large amount. Students, we have two types of hydrocarbon compounds, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons burn with blue flame in presence of sufficient oxygen and gives non-sooty flame, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbons burn with sooty flame and yellow flame in insufficient presence of oxygen. Some more examples. Ethyl alcohol, it is also an hydrocarbon. If it burns in presence of oxygen, it gives rise to carbon dioxide, water and heat. It is the complete balanced reaction, combustion reaction of ethyl alcohol. The second type of reaction is oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen to a substance, to a compound is called oxidation. For the oxidation reaction, we need an oxidizing agent which supply oxygen to the compound for the oxidation. So let us take an example. Oxidation reaction, we take ethyl alcohol here. If we add alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate in ethyl alcohol, these both are strong oxidizing agent. So either we use alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. Both gives nascent oxygen in ethyl alcohol, which oxidize ethyl alcohol completely and it converts into ethanoic acid, acetic acid and water. So this reaction takes place. It is the complete oxidation of ethyl alcohol to ethanoic acid. In this reaction, the number of carbons remains the same. If we take here one carbon alcohol, then we will obtain the one carbon carboxylic acid here. Means in the reactant side and in the product side, number of carbons remains the same in alcohol and carboxylic acid. What will happen if we use the mild oxidizing agent here? That is partial oxidation. For the partial oxidation, In ethyl alcohol, we use chromium oxide, acidified chromium oxide. It is the mild oxidizing agent. It gives less amount of oxygen, which partially oxidize ethyl alcohol, and we obtain acetaldehyde. It is the partial oxidation of ethyl alcohol. Students, it is the complete combustion and oxidation reactions of carbon compounds. Just repeating, for the combustion reactions, hydrocarbons, strong heat up in presence of oxygen give rise carbon dioxide, water and heat. If hydrocarbons get sufficient amount of oxygen, they give complete combustion, and if insufficient amount of oxygen they give incomplete combustion with sooty and yellow flame. Now oxidation reactions. For partial oxidation, we use acidified chromium oxide in acidic medium. In that case, in partial oxidation case, ethyl alcohol convert into acetaldehyde. And for the complete oxidation, we use a strong oxidizing agent that may be alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate, in which convert ethyl alcohol in acetic acid completely. Thank you and have a nice day.